are your relationship with your ships?
It's all good.
Isa-isahin natin
Okay.
sila.
Sige. Okay, sino ba una?
Caprice.
Sa Caprice, we're really good friends. Yeah.
Do you talk now?
Yeah, I mean, I feel like sa loob ng bahay, naging friends. Lahat kasi sila, naging friend ko doon. Wala pa po akong parang showbiz friend talaga. So with Caprice naman, we became better friends when we got outside the house na. Nung naging big winner na siya. Grabe, congrats Caprice.
Oo, congrats. Pero after that, paano mo masasabing naging better friends kayo?
Kasi sa loob, syempre pag may cameras and there's
Hindi kayo
everything.
makausap ng
I mean, may
deep talks?
may pagkailang ng konti, diba? But paglabas, syempre we were able to, hang out na rin with even all the housemates pag lahat kami nakikita-kita. So
Hangout ng kayong dalawa lang?
hindi, kaming mga group.
Group.
Ang galing na
na yun.
Yeah, pero ayun, dun kami parang mas naging close.
How about Sophia?
Sophia naman, first week pa lang naka-jive ko na siya kaagad. So we were able to talk a lot nung first week, second week. Tapos, ayun, after nun, na-evict na ako.
Ay! So, hindi na kayo nakapag
Oo, pero I mean, yeah, we're all good friends naman na. So, okay lang, okay na.
Was there a time na nakasama mo na rin siya like with the deep talks, gano'n?
With Sophia, yeah, I was able to have deep talks with Sophia naman, even outside with Rave then.
Yeah.
And lahat kami kasi nakikita together as groups.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I mean, me and Sophia, we haven't said anything na kaming dalawa lang. Pero, kami kasi, lagi
Mga
kaming...
group,
Oo.
gano'n.
Like, kahit busy na yung ibang housemates din, we try to really see each other. Pag may free day, nagme-message na kami na parang, dinner muna tayo, ganyan. So,
Ay, talaga?
Yeah. So, ayun, doon kami nagkakausap-usap din.
Masaging yung nila, yung bonding nila sa outside.
Yeah, so, sana yung mga kasi dami namin plano sa loob ng bahay. Parang gusto namin
Hiking.
Japan, lahat gusto namin gawin. So, syempre, pagka nagka-oras, gusto namin talagang
Gawin.
Yeah, even paglabas. So, hopefully matuloy.
Yes. Si Lela,
Si Lela.
na hinulog sa pool.
Si Lela naman siya. We're really good friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good friends. And hopefully magka-work kami in the future.
Si Carmel.
Si Carmel naman. Oh my God, si Carmel. Lagi
Ay!
kami nagsasenda ng TikTok.
Ay, talaga?
Yeah, yun yung bonding namin.
Sinabi mo
Yeah.
nga kanina nung sinabi ko sa'yo nag-guest dito si Carmel.
Yeah.
Sinabi niya, grabe si Carmel. Yun pa lang ang sinabi niya ha. Wala pang sinabing iba. Grabe si Carmel. Sabi
Yeah.
ko, bakit?
I'm so happy for her. She had like a fan meet with Carton.
Yes.
Sobrang solid, grabe. Nakakatawa.
Gusto ko yung iniiba niya talaga no?
Ha? Hindi.
But it's okay. It's nice. You're
Yeah.
very respectful na hindi lang parang you're not locked to a ship na parang ikaw lang dapat, ito lang ganyan.
Yes.
Very respectful, di ba? Anyway, yung sinabi niya kanina kay Carmel, baka isipin niyo na na issue. Hindi, sinasabi niya, grabe si Carmel, yung energy.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Talent din nun sa pagkanta. Ibang
Oh,
klase.
yes.
Ay, yun